Welcome back to Blogging with Food. Today we have got something extra special for you. Amazing fruit salad decoration ideas that will elevate your dining experience. Fruit salads are not only healthy but can also be stunning centerpiece for any party or gathering. Whether you are a fruit salad aficionado or a newcomer to the world of fruity delights, we have got something for everyone. First up, let's talk about the star of summer fruit salads, the watermelon salad. This refreshing and hydrating option is perfect for those scorching hot days. You can easily create this by carving out a watermelon bowl and then filling it with a mix of colorful melons, berries, and drizzle of honey. It's a beautiful and healthy treat that will wow your guests. If you're a fan of strawberries, we have got some delightful strawberry salad ideas that will make your taste buds dance. From classic strawberry spinach salads to innovative strawberry capris, these recipes will make you fall in love with strawberries all over again. Now, let's explore a showstopper, the 7-layered fruit salad. This eye-catching creation not only tastes amazing, but also looks like a work of art. With layers of fruits, yogurt, and a hint of granola, it's a healthy indulgence that's perfect for your next brunch or special occasion. To elevate your fruit salad game, don't forget about the dressing. We have got a range of homemade salad dressings that will take your salads from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether it's a tangy vinaigrette, a creamy yogurt dressing, or a sweet honey lime glaze, the right dressing can make all the difference. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to check out our website blogginggoodfood.com for the full recipes and more mouth-watering content. And, of course, subscribe to Blogging Good Food for regular food inspiration and tips.